In this video, I'm going to show you how to see total fees on Axiom. So the first thing you'll need is an Axiom Pro account. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. And if you sign up using my link, you'll get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure to check that out. Axiom is one of the best platforms for trading meme coins. It's packed with a lot of different premium features completely for free, such as an amazing top-tier Twitter tracker, a great wallet tracker, and a PNL tracker. It has a reward system which basically just gives you back Solana whenever you're trading, and then it has a turbo mode as well, which you can enable, and it makes for faster fills. It has a lot of great filters, you can create presets, etc. So trust me, check it out down below, you will not regret it. Now here, if you actually want to see total fees on Axiom, they just added this with a new update, and what you can do is you can go to polls over here inside your account, and then you can see the fees of every single coin over here right next to basically this quick buy button. So you can see, you can hover over it, it will show how much fees it's got paid in Solana over here. So every single coin will show this, and then if you go inside a coin, you can see it with a bigger scale. Up here at the very top, it says fees paid, and then the amount of fees that there were paid on this specific meme coin. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.